Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process should also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device. Just so you can see, I do have a pattern set, and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, and hold power key and volume up at the same time. I believe if you see Redmi logo, let go of the power key, and this should take you then to the recovery mode. Now in here using, using volume buttons, we have to navigate. And you want to select the second option, so wipe data, confirm it with power key, wipe all data, again confirm it with power key, and then confirm that. This will begin wiping, and there we go. As you can see, data wipe successful, and you have selected, phone will select it by default the back to main menu, so press power key, and do it once more, and once more. This will continue the process in the background, so it will take the device a little bit longer than normal to power back on for you to see the Android setup screen, but once it's completed, you will be greeted by it. So anyway, I'm gonna let it run and come back once it's finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.